Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, HPI Volume 2, first edition. Okay. Government of India, Ministry of Health, it is forwarded. Okay, then just after forwarding, there is Dr. D.P. Rastogi. Okay, Dr. D.P. Rastogi, sir, is just he died. Okay, means like last year or before that. Okay, so he was the main person for this. Okay, Dr. D.P. Rastogi. Then Dr. Jugal Kishore, chairperson. Okay, have you heard about SBL Pharmaceutical Company? SBL.
Yes.
Okay, so that pharmaceutical company was his. Okay, means now he is not there, but on his name that was started in Haridwar. Okay, Jaipur, Haridwar. Okay, then Dr. Jugal Kishore. Okay, SBL actually stand for some name is there. His wife's name is there. Okay, so on that name he has made the name of that shop. Okay, it was like land was of somebody else, and the whole technology and this means like all the concerns with what you can tell key means the technical approach and all these things are from Dr. Jugal Kishore sir. Okay, then appendix. Okay, units of medicinal strength. Okay, general instructions are there. Maceration, already we have talked about macerations is there. Okay, then okay, this is again this list of, okay, like chairperson Dr. Jugal Kishore sir. Okay, then drug controller of India, SP Ramachandra. Okay, so all this total, this is like a committee is there. Okay, for each pharmacopoeia a big committee is there. Okay, so these committees are there. Okay, then after this committee, okay, the list of the monographs are there already. You know the list number of monographs in second volume. Okay, so already we have talked about this 100 monographs are there. Okay, then name is Abies candensis. All these things, all these drugs are in your materia medica syllabus also in when you will study. Okay, second year, third year, fourth year, so all these things are there. Okay, it is not like separated like plant kingdom is separate or animal kingdom is separate or mineral kingdom is separate. Okay, it is just like a alphabetical. Okay, all the monographs are alphabetical. Okay, means they are arranged alphabetically. Okay, so means you have to go through this monograph, this HPI by just by alphabet. Okay, not by the like different kingdoms or different sources. Okay. Okay, then Viscum album. Okay, Viscum album is there. Okay, so this is band English milestones family. Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, you are not able to understand which is from plant kingdom or animal kingdom. Okay, so if like family is given, then understand it is from, because some many plants you don't know. Okay, okay, so because you are not you have studied botany or you know all the plants. Okay, if you have any confusion, okay, this is the last drug. Okay, gingiber. Okay, already you know gingiber officinalis, so normally we use in our day-to-day life in our kitchens. Okay, adrak. Okay, ginger. Then okay, describe perennial deciduous plant. It is parts used, dried rhizome is used. Okay, macroscopic is there, microscopic is there. Okay, then distribution cultivated throughout the India and tropical Asian countries. Okay, history and authorities, how it came first time in the homeopathic field. Okay, then how it mother tincture is prepared. Okay, all these things are given. Okay, appendages, some parts are there to understand. Okay, determination of ester. Okay, ester value. Okay, determination of ester value. Okay, I think you have studied in organic chemistry. Okay, what is the character of stars? These have a fruity smell. Okay, fruit like smell. Do you remember in 11th and 12th you have studied? Okay, then determination of ester values. Okay, these things are there. Okay, then all application of organic inorganic chemistry is here. Okay, these names are there. Okay. Now is Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, third volume. Okay, third volume is there. 1978. Okay, Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, forwarding is there. Okay, just see. Okay, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Committee. Okay, Secretary. Okay, VT Augustine. Okay, the Secretary of Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Committee has changed. Okay, and now chairperson is changed. Okay, chairperson is now Dr. Jugal Kishore sir. Okay, previously that sir was different. Okay, so thus after that he became the chairperson of the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Committee. Okay. So by that also you can understand their working times. Okay, till when. Okay, this government of honorary. This is also one post. Okay, honorary advisor to government of India. Okay, so Dr. Jugal Kishore sir. Okay, was there at that time. Okay, the advisor to government of India or the president of India. Okay, homeopathic advisor. Okay, then Director General Drug Laboratory Kolkata. Okay, J.N. Kanjilal, homeopathic physician. Okay, Dr. J.N. Kanjilal is very famous, like a practitioner, very much famous practitioner. Okay, Dr. J.N. Kanjilal. Okay, from Kolkata. Okay. Then Dr. P.N. Verma sir. About them you will study in Organon. Okay, stalwarts, different stalwarts, Indian stalwarts. Okay, Dr. P.N. Verma sir. Okay, he has written this pharmacopoeia. He was the in charge of homeopathic pharmacopoeia laboratory before. Okay, just last year he died also. Okay, then P.N. Mehta, K. Panj, okay, H.L. Chitkara, homeopathic physician, New Delhi. You will study book, okay, different faces, different type of face, okay. How by the face, by body language, you will understand the patients, okay. He has written a good book, okay, by the different about different faces, okay. Then Bhal, Dr. Bhal is there, okay. All these things, Aaron Malhotra, advisor, okay, P.N. Verma, Mehta, okay. So this is there, okay. Then, okay, general notice is there, okay, chemical formula, molecular weight, solution, cautions, okay. Then again, list of the monographs is there, okay, list of monographs. Okay, then first drug start, okay, acetaminophen is there, okay. Then we will just go. Actually, this at last some pages are given that are more important. Okay, means after monograph some things, basic things are given. Okay, so that is very much important. Okay, especially for the laboratories. Okay, drug testing laboratories. Okay, the reference values and many things are there. Okay, so that helps a lot. Okay, because for these books, what book in like normal guidebooks it written, okay, that will not be used as a reference book. Okay, that we cannot use as a reference book. We have always follow our HPI. Okay, this is the last drug of this. Okay, third volume. After that, we will see again this appendix part. Okay, appendix is just see. Okay, minerals and solutions employed in test. Which type of minerals? Acetic acid we are using. Okay, acetone we are using. Okay, alcohol, aluminium wire we are using. So different type of drugs are there for. Okay, ammonium sulfate. Okay, ammonium solution standard. Okay, total like a chemistry lab. Okay, benzene is used. Okay, benzoic acids, calcium acetate is used. Okay, carbonates are used. So all these things are there. Okay, then different other drugs are used. Then mercurious chlorides are used. Okay, sodium, yeah. All the qualities of these chemicals are given. Okay, in this second volume. Okay, second volume, this last part. Okay, zinc sulfate. Okay, appendix second. Solutions employed, okay, volumetric determinations, okay, different type of, already you have seen 1n, 0.1 n, okay, in chemistry just a little bit you have seen, okay. Then indicators employed in volumetric determination and in the pH determination, how to determine the pH. Okay, then determination of optic rotations and specific rotations, optic rotations, okay, how the physics, okay, you have studied about the optic rotations in physics, optical rotations in chemistry also, okay, physical chemistry, okay, then determination of light observations, how much light is absorbed, okay, then qualitative reaction of the some common substances, radicals is there, okay, site acids are there, okay. Then methods of determining of alcohol content of homeopathic tincture, okay. Homeopathic mother tincture, how much alcohol content is there, okay. That how to determine the process is given, okay. Then taste of methanol is there, okay. The different values, reference values are there, okay. Values are also there. Then Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, fourth volume, okay, 1983, okay, this is the first 1983, okay, forwarding is there again, okay, then preface is there, okay, then what is there that is given, okay, then, okay, again this chairperson is, okay, Dr. Jugal Kusher is also chairperson, okay, means he was also advisor to government of India, okay, and all these things lists are there. Okay, sometimes it is asked in competitive exams, like if for the third homeopathic pharmacopoeia, who was the chairperson? Okay, for fourth homeopathic pharmacopoeia, who was the chairperson? Like all these things. Okay, then this is the list of the drugs. Okay, then just we have the Abroma Radex. Okay, this is the drug. Okay, list of the drugs are there. Okay, how it is prepared, all these things are there. Okay, just before volume 5, we will complete volume 4. Okay, these things are just appendix. Okay, means different reference values and other things are given. Okay, we will see this also. It is just like if you will compile all this part which are on the back side of each pharmacopoeia. Okay, they will just be like a book. Okay, where all the things, chemistry things, okay, chromatography, determination of S value and everything will be there, okay. So that is then shortly it is made in the guidebooks according to the answers, okay, how questions are asked according to that, okay. This is the last drug, okay, Viola, okay, tricolor, okay, this is the last drug. After that appendices is there, okay, material and solution or the employed in the test, which type of solution we are putting on when you are testing different things, okay, then, okay, different values are there, okay, calcium carbonate, calcol, okay, all the, because in syllabus we are studying very little, okay, otherwise when it just come to a practical field, a lot of chemicals are there, okay, chemicals, minerals are there, okay. Just we get an outline, okay, when we are studying in first BHMS syllabus homeopathic pharmacy, that is the outline, okay, to know about the homeopathic pharmacy process of manufacturing, okay, but the actual when it comes to a laboratory, okay, or it comes to like any like a homeopathic pharmacopoeia laboratory or drug testing laboratory or pharmaceutical company, okay, they have to do all these things, okay, for the determination, okay. Solutions employed in the volumetric determination, how to define the volumes, okay, all these things. That's why biochemistry persons, biophysics persons, okay, then this pharmacology, okay, determination of viscosity. Do you understand what is viscosity? What is the viscosity? You understand? Water is more viscous, or mustard oil is more viscous?
Mustard oil.
Okay, okay, so like that, okay. So viscosity is then test for the pyrogens, okay, pyrogens which causes the fever, or that which just increase the temperature, okay. Then chromatography, okay, exact chromatographic process is given here also, okay, like we have given in our book also, okay, but like page now you can see, okay, chromatography, page number 1067, okay, if you go to this PDF, chromatography process is given, okay, paper chromatography is there, okay, this then procedure is, total procedure is given, okay. Then thin layer chromatography is there, okay. Chromatography is an important question, okay, many times I've seen in different question papers, okay. Then oxygen flask method, that is different thing, okay. Then okay, preparation of nosodes, okay, how nosodes are prepared, okay. Uh, so these things are given, it is a separate chapter for total nosode, okay, how nosodes are prepared, okay, the process of preparing of nosode is given, okay. Then again index is given, different index is there, okay, all the things are there in this index related with the these monographs, okay. Again homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India, okay, that is fifth volume, okay. Okay, forwarding is there, okay. Then Diwan Harishchand, Dr. Diwan Harishchand, okay, he was again a allopathic doctor, okay, so but he has not so much satisfied with his practice, okay, and he has turned, just see, honorary advisor, okay, Dr. Diwan Harishchand. It is written his qualification MBBS, LRC, okay, DTM, okay, then MD Home, FF Home, London, okay. So all these things, okay. So Dr. Diwan Harishchand, okay. Normally it is told that he was not satisfied with his allopathic practice, and he has just thrown all of his medicine, okay, and he has started practicing homeopathy, okay. Previously means they just normally when they are not satisfied with that things, okay, because they are not money minded, okay, so just when they get the relief in different other things, okay, they start all these things, okay. So he has a good place, okay, and they are converted to homeopathy. General, okay, notice instructions, okay. Then this list of the monographs are there. Then again monograph status, okay, Abyss nigra, okay, this is in your syllabus, you'll study later on. Okay, means all that things are completed in this fifth. You will again see the appendix part, okay, because again I told you these appendix parts are important. Jincum valerianum, okay, this is the last drug of these, okay. Then appendix, okay. Then appendix, minerals and solutions employed for testing, okay. Then different minerals are there, okay. Then okay, which will be important, I will tell you, okay, just you. Solutions employed for volumetric determination, okay, these all these things are used in the laboratories and test testing. Indications employed for the volumetric determination, okay. Then standard for the vehicles used in instant internal medications, okay. Which type of, what standard you have to keep when you are doing any type of internal medication, internal, okay, when you are applying, what is the standard of your vehicles, that is given here, okay. Standard of the vehicles used for internal medication, okay. For external application you do not know so much standard quality, but for internal application, because it is the, it may risk your health, okay, that's why the same standard is always important, okay. So all these things are given, okay, that should be followed by the pharmaceutical companies, okay. Then appendix, different appendix is given, okay. Then this is values are given, okay. Then again values and reference numbers are there. Okay, then limit of alcohol on mother tincture, how much, okay, alcohol you have to keep, okay, how much limit you have to keep alcohol in the your mother tinctures, that is given. Okay, for each drug differently it is given. Okay, because that they have to follow all the rules regulations very strictly when they are manufacturing the drugs. Okay. And they, because they are in the practical work, okay, they know practically the process of manufacturing. Okay, they have a very deep knowledge regarding all these things. Okay, quantity and what is the label, okay, everything they have a standard. Okay, and they know all the things very well. Okay, then communicative indications of the HPI volume 1 to 5. Okay, all these things are just what is given in that different volumes. Okay, different drugs, roots, leaves, okay, use, which parts are used, all these things are given. Okay. Okay, so this is completed. Okay, this part is completed. Okay, you have any doubt in part 1 to 5? Anything like any query, anything you want to ask? Just I told you, na, कि I just turned pages because so that you know कि if like when you will be preparing for competitive exam later on, at least you have to know कि what I am doing or what I am studying, that theory part is here. Okay, so that you will be well enough or you will be confident about that thing. Yeah, what I'm, because sometimes it happens in market there is many competitive exam books are there. Okay, many of them answers are wrong also. Okay, means many of them are good and they have good answers are there, many of them answers are wrong. Okay, so that is the problem. Okay, so that's why at least you can just go take a reference of your HPI. Okay, and you will know the exact thing what exactly. Okay, sometimes the these wrong answers may be because of printing mistake. Okay, because this goes through the very much a very different process. Okay, some persons who is just writing a book, he is the different person, somebody who is typing, that is different person, who is printing, that is the different persons. Okay, so because of this, sometimes because of human error it happens. Okay, some answer is A, okay, in the last you will see answer will be written as a C. Okay, you are confused, you can go through these books. Okay, this main reference books. Okay, and what is the correct in HPI, that is correct. Okay, like that. So for that, at least we have to know all these things. Okay. Then, okay, now we will go for the next. Okay, volume 6 to 9. Okay. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, volume 6 to volume 9. Okay. Now we will go through this. Okay, just we will go fast. Okay, because already you have understood. Okay, and main thing is first part. Okay, so we will just see the things. Okay. So this is to revised, all these things are okay. Then number of monographs are given. Okay, so exactly how much total monographs are there? How much total monographs in all the volumes, all the 10 volumes? 1010 in 9 volume. Okay, then in 10th volume, how many drugs monographs is there? 101.
One.
Okay, so plus 101. Okay, so 1. Okay, how many then? 101. Okay, so 1111. Okay, 4 times 1. Okay, 1111. Okay, but more than that drugs are there, but monograph is, many monographs are revised. Okay. Okay, now we will see the sixth volume. Okay, introduction part. Okay, different volumes, the timing is given. Okay, just here see volume 10 2013 they have written. Okay, volume 10. Okay, just see here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, volume 10 is 13. Okay, so don't tell only 9 volume. 10 volumes are there. Okay, so then this list of the drugs are there. Okay, mainly who are the chairpersons also, not now, but chairpersons may be important for your competitive exams. Okay, for like this, who was the chairperson? Okay, then Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, volume 6, 1990. Okay, this is preference and everything, New Delhi. Okay, Dr. B.S. Misra is the member secretary. Preface. Okay, and now you will see. Okay, honorary advisor or okay, chairman is the Dr. again Diwan Harishchand. Okay, then Dr. Anil Bhatia. Okay, so these are the list of the drugs. Okay, different monographs. Okay, Allunia. Okay, different drugs are there. Vispa, Jincum, Sanitium is there. Okay, Jincum iodine is there. List of the finished product is standard. Okay, and then again this the mother tincture. Okay, then alcohol content, pH values, weight per ml, total solid value, identification. Already this is in our book also. Okay, this Mendel and Mendel book, these things are there. Okay, the alcohol content, all these things are given for some drugs. Okay, so like that they have already given all these things. Okay, but uh, you can go through this reference if you need. Okay, if you need, but theory exam it is not needed. Okay, these are the reference values. Asafoetida. Okay, what is the Asafoetida? Hing. Okay, hing, how much alcohol content, how, what is the pH, everything is given. Okay, and calcarea florica is there, potency. Okay, all these things are given. All the mother tincture, their bioassay is given, okay, how much they have alcohol quantity, okay, all these things are there, okay. Euphrasia of Snellis, okay, that is good drug for our eye complaints, okay. Ferrum metallicum, okay. Kali muriaticum, okay. Kali sulfuricum, magnesium carbonicum, many more drugs are there, okay. For them, these all the things are there. Phytolacca, okay, Phytolacca decandra and Phytolacca berry, okay, it is good. Mother tincture is normally used for weight loss, okay, Phytolacca. Selenium metallicum, Silesia, okay, that is called as a surgeon's knife. Okay, then stannum metallicum. Okay, this is like a metal-like taste. Okay, in sputum there is a metal-like taste. Okay, sulfur iodatum. Okay, when you will study later on materia medica. Okay, it will be very means like interesting. Okay, you will feel very much interesting. Okay, second year when you will study. Okay, each drugs. Okay, material and solutions employed taste. Okay, different taste assays there. Okay, then oxygen flask method. Again, we know all these things. Okay, we have already seen in this different other appendix. Okay, then another thing, aconite is there, berberis is there. Okay, then tendencies identification. And then other thing is standard for the syrup. Okay, liquid for the liquid oral. Okay, syrups. What should be the standard for a syrup? Making a syrup. Essay method for plumbum and plumbum metallicum. Okay. And these things are aconite, okay, graph is given, okay. Essay method for selenium, okay, then for aconite this graph is given, okay, atropine graphs are given, okay, berberine, okay, brucine, okay, so these graphs are given, caffeine, cantheridine, okay, the different alkaloids are there, okay, the active principles, alkaloid graphs are given, okay, pyridine, okay, all these things are there, and metal rumex, okay. Therapy Hindi, okay, all names are there, different names are given, okay. This is again alphabetical, again listing is there. Then homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India, seventh volume. Okay, again we will go fast. Okay, chairperson is KP Majumdar. Okay, Dr. KP Majumdar is the chairperson. Okay, director. Okay, just Dr. Deputy Advisor. Okay, VT Augustine, Health and Family Welfare, Chairperson, okay, names are again there, okay. Then, okay, drug, different volumes are there, okay, general notice, okay, list of the drugs, okay, list of the monographs are there, different monographs are there, okay, it comes to S, T, again appendices. Okay, we will see things if anything is important. Okay, test for penicillin. Okay, then I say test for sodium. Okay, different tests are there. Okay, their tables are there. Information of, okay, lambda max by ultraviolet spectrometer. Okay, we have talked about the spectrometer. Okay, then again thin layer chromatography is there. Okay, then homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India, next volume is eighth volume is there. Okay, eighth volume, New Delhi. Okay, pharmacopoeia committee. Okay, then drug Augustine Ministry of Health. Okay, okay, homeopathic subsequent upgrade to advisor VT Augustine is again there. Okay, then different. Okay, total committee is again there for this pharmacopoeia. Okay, list of the monographs are there. Again, this mother tincture and alcohol contents are there for the eighth volume. Okay. Okay. Again, this ninth volume is there. Okay. Just we will see who is the chairperson for ninth volume. This is also in your syllabus. Okay, this drug, Asculus hippocanthus. Okay, you will study later on, but in the Materia Medica book, not Pharmacopoeia book. So these monograph lists are there. Okay. Now just see it become the Department of Payush. Okay, previously it was Dr. S.P. Singh. Okay, BSc MD homeopathy. Okay, means he has done BSc, then BHMS, then MD homeopathy. Okay, so he was the advisor to government of India. Okay, and he was the chairperson. Okay, S.P. Singh. Okay, for the eighth volume. So for ninth volume, all the monographs sequence is same. Okay, means how like its name, common name, then scientific name. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, revised, many drugs are revised also. Okay, so then after that Solanaceae, just I ended. Okay, Mendix introduction to related foreign steroids. Okay, now the issue of steroid come in homeopathy. Okay, because previously steroids are not so much used. Okay, but steroids are like they are known as a life-saving drugs. Okay, steroids. Okay, so is actually in homeopathic drugs steroids are there or not? Okay, it happens sometimes when the alkaloid has the quality of a steroid. Okay, then there may be. Okay, so that thing is there. Okay, sometimes question came to homeopathy like homeopathic drugs. Okay, steroids are used. Okay, steroids are normally used in allopathy. Okay, they are like enzymes. Okay, enzymes of our body, and they are like a life saving. Okay, some steroids are like so saying like adrenaline, fear fight flight drug. Okay, so like that. Okay, so but it was means like very bad name for homeopathy. Okay, in between key like homeopath use steroids in their practice, that's why they are getting results. Okay, like these all these things were there. Okay, so now just we will see one more, then we will complete it. Okay. Okay, this is also given in our, okay, I will just first share it. Okay, first I will share it, then we will complete it. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, this is the 10th volume. Actually, it is not exactly 10th volume, you can tell, but it was in H. Okay, so some many other things are also given, taste and everything. Okay, so it was separately in the website of HPL, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia Laboratory. Okay, from there I have downloaded, but now it is, I don't think they have just taken it out, but now I have not seen it in HPI, this HPL. Okay, they have just a material and solutions employed for taste. Okay, all these things are again what is there. Okay, already we have seen in first and 9 volume. Things are again compiled. Okay, many things are there. Okay, some new things also they have added. Okay, for the taste and everything. Okay, so just we will go little fast. Okay, different drug materials name. Okay, 300 pages are there. Okay, different drug materials and their preparation is given. Means it is just like a reference values and the other things are there for preparation of the drugs. Okay, and for the laboratory testing, determination of the quality of drugs, and all these things are there. Okay, in the 10th volume. Okay, so just I have written HPI. Okay, because it is not like it is exactly 10th volume. Okay, but they have given this total related with the preparation and all these things. Okay, they have not marked anywhere like it is the 10th volume of pharmacopoeia. Okay, for related with alcohol, other things. Okay, all the biochemistry related, okay, chemistry and biochemistry related things are there. Okay, so just you can go through it if you need like reference anytime. Okay, otherwise though not so much at our level, not so much useful. Okay, but when you will extend or you will see in the laboratories or in the drug testing authorities that they have very much use of all these things, reference label and everything. Okay, everything is just given in the first part. Okay, means all the this testing and everything is given. Okay, then again different values are there. Okay, like you can tell it is the atomic weights of different things are given, chemicals, Okay, then introduction, determination of again ester values, things are given. Determination of, already we have discussed about all these things we have seen. Okay, then appropriate. Okay, then for determination of alcohol content. Okay, it is just for as a reference book for the HPL. Okay, like they are, but they have uploaded in their website. All the already we have seen in first to 9 volumes. Okay, and different like apis mellificus. Okay, small potencies are also given. Okay, exactly there is no any monograph. Okay, means exact there is no any monograph, but reference values, different things. Okay, the methodologies. Okay, all other things are given in this what I have given you. Okay, like hyoscyamin sulfate. Okay, the potency 1C, what is the content. Okay, because all these things are used as a reference value when we are making the drugs or we are just doing any type of laboratory test. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, so my part actually I have completed in this HPI related things. Okay, so at least I told you ki for HPI it is like if you get question you go through it. Okay, otherwise there is no need at first year level to go through the HPI. Okay, you already the basic you have understood. Okay, basic or the things you have already understood. Okay, like when you will get, suppose you got which part is used for the preparation of medicine of, okay, like calendula officinalis. Okay, now you have just searched two book, you got different parts, some where it is written flower, somewhere it is written leaves. Okay, now you go to HPI. In HPI which part is given, suppose it is given leaves. Okay, your answer is leaves. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, means which part of this is used for that. Okay, so at that time your main reference is your, because you have all the monographs are there in your HPI. Okay, any doubt, anything you want to ask? Hello?
No, sir.
No, na? Okay. So now we will stop. Okay. Then from Monday or Tuesday, okay, we will see. Okay, I will tell you. We will start question paper. Okay, just we will do a 1 hour. Okay, I think it will be like one paper we will complete. It will be better. Okay, at least for some days. Okay, then you can go for your like self study. Also, you have any doubt, then you can tell. Then we will arrange a class. Okay, then later on. Okay, after when we'll complete the question paper. Okay, anything you will tell that we will do. Okay, so done this part. Okay. Any
Okay, sir.
doubt? Okay, विशाल,
Yes, sir.
any doubt? कुछ पूछना है?
नहीं no.
नहीं ना? Okay, उजाला,
Yes, sir.
कुछ पूछना है?
नहीं, sir.
रोल नंबर 48. No. Definda,
Yes, sir.
you have to ask anything.
No, sir. No.
Okay.
सर
Hilarity.
हेलो
बोलो.
सर, ये एचपीआई का जो रिवीजन होता है जैसे 2008 के बाद 2013, तो ये कोई शेड्यूल होता है फिक्स कि ऐसे ही
नहीं,
टाइम
ऐसा
फिक्स?
कोई शेड्यूल नहीं है. लास्ट देखो 9th वॉल्यूम कब आया? 2009
टाइम तो
में
हाँ वही।
है ना, 2000 में आया. उसके बाद बहुत दिन तक कोई नया HPI नहीं आया था, है ना. फिर 2013 में आया. अब तक कोई नया नहीं आया. 10th के बाद 20 आ गया ना.
हाँ
तो ऐसा कोई शेड्यूल नहीं है,
हाँ
है ना. तो उनको अगर कमिटी को जो,
मतलब
हाँ कमिटी बनता है, कमिटी हर बार रिवाइज होता है ना. जब होम्योपैथिक फार्मेकोपिया कमिटी बनता है तो वो जैसे एक्चुअली ये टोटल है कमिटी. ओके, कमिटी फॉर ओके फार्मेकोपिया कमिटी, वो होम्योपैथिक और आयुर्वेदिक दोनों फार्मेकोपिया, यूनानी सिद्धा का इनका पूरा फार्मेकोपिया एक कमिटी होता है. तो जब वो फील करते हैं कि हाँ उनको रिवाइज करना चाहिए, है ना, तब होता है. बाकी कमिटी अपडेट होता रहता है. कमिटी के जो मेंबर्स हैं, चेयरपर्सन है, वो अपडेट होते रहते हैं, है
सर,
ना.
तो इसमें लिस्ट ऑफ ड्रग्स भी अगर इंक्लूड मतलब इंक्रीज करेंगे तब भी एचपीआई एक बनेगी क्या इस पे? ऐसे भी कुछ है क्या रीजन?
हाँ, अगर कुछ नए ड्रग्स होंगे फिर उनको लगेगा मोनोग्राफ्स को सब बढ़ाना है ना, और नए ड्रग्स आएंगे तो भी नया HPI बन सकता
हाँ
है
वही,
ना.
मतलब एक रीजन वो भी हो सकता है बनने
हाँ
का।
कि हाँ लिस्ट ऑफ द ड्रग्स बढ़ने लगेंगे तो एक नया HPI हो सकता है ना.
बाकी जो स्टैटिक चीज है सर वो तो एक ही रहेगी ना, वो तो चेंज होगी नहीं।
नहीं जो
HPI
स्टैटिक, हाँ तभी तक जो है नॉर्मली मैक्सिमम होता है कि सपोज है ना तुम्हारे एग्जाम से पहले 11th वॉल्यूम आ गया है ना,
हाँ हाँ
हाँ तो वो फिर अपडेट हो जाता है वो वहाँ, मतलब मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि तुम लोगों को मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना है कि हाँ 11th वॉल्यूम आया है। अगर वाइवा में क्वेश्चन आए तो आप बोलना है टोटल नंबर ऑफ एचपीआई इज 11, है कि नहीं।
हाँ हाँ।
तो ये है ना, क्योंकि ये तो डायनेमिक चीज है ना, अपडेट होता रहता है, साइंस है ना।
यस सर।
ये थोड़ी लिखा है सिलेबस में कि 10th एचपीआई तक ही पढ़ना है या 9th तक ही पढ़ना है, उसमें केवल लिखा है इंट्रोडक्शन टू एचपीआई, है कि नहीं,
यस सर।
है ना। तो वॉल्यूम कितना आया वो मेरी ड्यूटी है कि मैं आप लोगों को इन्फॉर्म करूँ, है ना।
ठीक। ओके सर।
ओके ओके ओके, गुड डे।
थैंक यू सर।